Hey there, guys. Are you looking for a compact and versatile stand mixer that can whip up healthy treats and more? Well, look no further than the Dashco Everyday Mixer. This convenient mixer is perfect for those who are short on space but want a powerful and reliable tool to help them create delicious and nutritious recipes every day. It's designed with a smaller footprint and fits underneath most kitchen cabinets, making it the perfect choice for smaller kitchens or limited countertop space. If you want to learn more about the Dashco Everyday Mixer, or if you're ready to purchase your very own, be sure to check the link in the video description below. With its powerful 250-watt motor and 6 different speed options, the Dashco Everyday Mixer can handle everything from velvety smooth cakes and pancake batter to homemade pizza dough, muffins, dressings, dips, meringues, whipped cream, and much more. And with its easy-to-use design, it's perfect for beginners and seasoned pros alike. The Dashco Everyday Mixer is also incredibly easy to clean and features a stylish retro design that will accent any kitchen. With its fully tilting motor head, removing the mixing bowl and ejecting the beaters or dough hooks is a breeze, leaving you with less mess to clean up. Whether you're a beginner baker or a seasoned pro, the Dash Stand Mixer is the perfect kitchen accessory for frosting, meringue, creamy dressings, doughs, baked goods, and more. And with US-based support and a 1-year manufacturer warranty, you can feel confident that you're making a smart investment in your kitchen with the Dashco Everyday Mixer. So why wait? Order yours today and start creating delicious, healthy treats in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.